Let us learn the multiplication of decimals now. For multiplication, the first case is when you have to multiply a decimal by 10 or higher powers of 10. For example, this is a decimal 2.738. Now this decimal is to be multiplied by 100, or you can have another example where 2.37 is to be multiplied with 1000. Here the power of 10 is 2 and here the power of 10 is 3. Now for each case, how is the multiplication to be done? For the first one, you will write 2.738 multiplied with 100. Now either you can do the multiplication method that goes like this: 2738, and you write down 100 and start multiplying this like this, zeros, and you will get 8372, and then you add them up, you get this as the required sum, or you can say the required product over here because we are doing the product of two numbers. Or the direct method that I am going to teach you is you remove, just forget about the decimal place, just write the numbers 2738. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros, add 2 zeros. And how many number of places for the decimal place? 3 places. So start counting from right hand side, 1, 2 and 3. Put a decimal point over here. The simple multiplication is done. Let us try for the second one, where we have to multiply 2.37 with 1000. Again we are going to do the same thing. We will forget the decimal place. We will just write the numbers and the zeros. Now count the number of places in the decimal part, 2. So start counting the places from right hand side and you will get your product. That was only for the multiplication of decimal by 10 or higher powers of 10. What will be the case when you have to multiply a decimal number with a whole number like 25 or another decimal number, that is 5.9. So decimal multiplied to be a whole number will be done the simple way, that is your multiplication way only. Let us try 237 and 25. Here also I would suggest you to forget about the decimal place at first. Just multiply the two digits, right, the two numbers. Now I am multiplying these two numbers. What do I get? 5 sevens as 35, 3, 5 threes as 15, plus 3, 18, 1 carry, 5 twos are 10 and 1, 11. 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry, 2 threes are 6 and 1, 7, 2 twos are 4, and that's it. Because 2 sevens was 14, 1, 2 threes are 6 and 7. So simply 2 twos will be 4. Adding them up together, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 carry, 7, 8, 9, 4 and 1, 5. So now the product that you have got by multiplying two numbers is 5925. But do not forget to put the number of decimal places also. We have 2, so we will put the 2 places decimal, that is 59.25. Now moving on to the last is that you have to multiply a decimal number with another decimal number. Here also just forget about the decimal places, just multiply the two numbers, that is 2875 and 59. 9 5s as 45, 4, 9 7s as 63 and 4, 67. Here you write 7, 6, 9 8s are 72, 72 plus 6, 78 and 7, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 7 gives you 25. Now again making the cross, 5 5s as 25, 2, 5 7s are 35, 36, 37, 3, 5 8s are 40, 41, 42, 43 and 4, 5 2s are 10 and 4, 40. So you get 5, 7 plus 5, 10, 11 and 12, 8, 9, 9 plus 7 becomes your 16, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. And so the answer on multiplying these two, you get 169625. Now putting the decimal place. How many decimal places are present in here? 2 and here also we are having one decimal place. So in total, how many decimal places are we supposed to put? We are supposed to put 3, because 1 and 2 of this one. So we will put 1, 2 and 3, third point over here. So this is how you can do the multiplication of decimals for different cases.